Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Abu, the host of the show, and welcome to another episode of Tech in Japan. My name is Abu and I'm a doctor in Japan. I live here for over 7 years. I worked at university, I worked in companies, and okay, that kind of intro. Anyway, and I decided to open this channel to talk more about Japanese tech because there is a lot of channels talking about Japanese food, Japanese culture, Japanese weird things, Japanese anime, Japanese. So in this channel we're talking especially about tech. If you are new to this channel, welcome and thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing if you did. Today we're gonna be talking about a very cool Japanese tech, and it's not related to robotics as the previous video, but it's kind of slightly similar. And today we're gonna be reviewing Honda. And Honda, as you know, like a big company in Japan, big company like for making cars, for making bikes, especially bikes. They're very famous for that. Honda bikes are probably the top in the world actually. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Honda riding assist technology, which is a very cool technology, and I'm gonna explain to you why and why you're gonna watch this video and why it's very important to you, especially if you are into bikes, into like kind of heavy bikes, you know. Like I used to have a bike before, like since like a long time, like I think when I was like in high school, or like kind of family bike. So like I didn't have those big ass bikes, so like kind of, yeah. What is the Honda riding assist? The Honda riding assist is like it allow you like to ride your bike kind of more balanced, because especially for heavy bikes are very difficult, like kind of to manage, or like to take them out from your garage. Like it's very heavy, not balanced, like, and you're always struggling like with these bikes. Or like when you are riding on slow traffic, you know, like with a heavy bike in slow traffic, it's very hard to balance. It's very kind of like always you're gonna stand, you're gonna stop, and you're gonna stand, this kind of stuff. It's not easy. So Honda come up with the idea, which is like this riding assist. It helps you with the balance. So like the bike itself can stand even alone. It can even follow you. Can you imagine that? Like actually this technology has been like since 2017. They revealed the first bike that can do this, but for me actually I just knew it yesterday. Actually I was looking for a video to talk about, and I found this one that I wanted like to show. I think a lot of people who are into bikes, maybe they heard about this technology, but for me I didn't hear about it. So this technology was used in robotics and used like in Honda famous like humanoid Asimu. The robot has a self-balancing, and so they use the same technology they used also on the bikes. So the bike is absolutely has a great balance, where they showed even can stand by yourself. You can sit on the bike and you just like balance like without any issue. The cool part about it, the bike actually can stand by itself. It can even follow you to the garage, or like moving from place to place. This like absolutely life-changing bike, I don't know how much it's gonna be. I'm gonna do more like research about it and reveal like for the next video, or hopefully I visit Honda and try this bike by myself in the future when I get more subscribers and followers, so I become kind of influencer, kind of, right? Yeah, if Honda invite me to try it. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends, like people who are into bikes, maybe people who wanna buy bikes, maybe, I don't know. Yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching.